I want to ask you, how's your New Year's resolution going? And, how does it feel like to get healthy? Is it challenging? Are you having a really difficult time? Do you kind of feel like a snowman? Well, let me just share with you this guy here. This is a snowman that we made just the other day, and he is very similar to maybe what y'all are going through. You don't have to feel like this guy here. This guy, he's probably alone. There's no other snowmans here out on the farm, and he's, kind of just withering away here in the sunlight. I mean, the guy's gonna melt in a few days, maybe even a few hours, who knows? And he's just definitely just, kind of frump-a-dumpy around the midsection. But I'm here to tell you that, hey, life doesn't have to be that way, all right? Even if you are the kind of person who's been at it for months at a time and you just don't know how to get it right and you just don't know what to do, where to go, who to speak to, this is an opportunity for you to get the support you need, find the sources, and to develop a relationship with people like you. All right. Getting healthy is all about feeling good about yourself. It's about finding the confidence to change your lifestyle, to pivot and to do things differently, and to then live a life in this method of just the system that you've created. And that's what we're all about. We're all about creating systems. This day and age, we have to pivot, and we have to pivot quite quickly. We have to pivot in business. We have to pivot in our health, because if we don't, then we're going to end up on a bunch of medication that we really don't even want to take anyways. And to be quite honest, I have worked with people from all over the world and all over the country who have been told by medical professionals that, hey, you're going to have to be on this medication forever. Well, you know what? I come from a different school of thought, and I completely disagree. And I'm here to prove you wrong, that it doesn't matter. You don't have to be on medication all your life. I've seen so many people change their life simply by doing my method, my program, and just trying out something different. And we're talking about, eating things from produce, finding new ways to make food. Like, instead of eating rice, you make cauliflower rice, which is so delicious, takes about maybe 10 minutes to make, and the whole family would love it. So these are the tools, these are the resources, these are the things that I share with you. I share with you lesson plans, education, I share with you recipes for smoothies, for juices, I show you how to juice, I show you all these wonderful things that nobody's ever shown you, and I take you by the hand and I share with you exactly what you need to do so you can reach your health goals and have optimal health. So if you're interested in this, if this is what you want, come on, click that link right here in this post.